So I want you to take that and allow that because it's beautiful. But I would like to expand on it today. And as you move forward through this space and then forevermore, Divine One, I would like you to think of what goes on in your temple. You know, if you've ever been in a church or a temple or a sacred space, even, the Red Rocks of Sedona in a sense, wherever, outdoors, in a building, if you've ever been in a space that felt sacred, powerful stuff goes on in that space. Expansive, sacred, divine stuff goes on in that space, yes? Unfoldings, understandings, communications. What's going on in your temple? Are you talking? Are you communicating? Are you listening? Are you hearing in a way in which you are nurturing all sides of the communication space? What do I mean by that? You're communicating with you, but you on all levels of you. You're communicating with you in source form. You're communicating with source space. You're God, if you would like that word. I like that word many days. I go all over the place with what words I use because I don't want to box myself up. Your higher selves, other spaces of you, are in your temple. Your angels are in your temple. Your guides are in your temple. Your star families are in your temple. So as we move into this space today, I want you to really allow your presence on a new level, and I want you to amplify your imagination. It's a PowerPoint for us. It's a power play. It's the booster button. All right? So I want you to amplify your imagination, and I want you to understand, see, feel, listen, connect in every way possible. Don't hinder yourself with judgment or hesitation. Just let it drop. Let yourself soar through your temple. Get a bird's eye view. Who's in your temple with you? Are there great angelic ones along the walls with 30-foot tall wings? Are there star families with symbols of light written on their bodies? Are there other versions of you? Are there ancestors? Wise ones? Is there a ray of light flooding into the center and illuminating the entire space of you, your temple? That is source, God, goddess space. How do you see this space of you? Allow your imagination and allow yourself to understand what is going on in your temple, and allow yourself to know that you are the sovereign one who gets to direct what goes on in this space of you. And as you see your temple and those that are with you, and you know that you are sovereign and you walk with them and they walk with you, and allow yourself to release upon every moment, every second, every minute, every hour, every day, every night, every breath, every step, every word, every action, love. And imagine everyone in your temple with you, releasing that love with you and rippling out through forever. When I began teaching and holding these spaces, right away I had 2 or 3 go-to things that I always said. Trust yourself. Allow. You are safe. You are loved. And now I think this part of the temple has been relaying that message out since the beginning. And if you really allow yourselves to lean in this space and imagine with every part of your imagination, don't hold anything back, nothing that you've ever been told by yourself or anyone else has any power over you or your imagination. And it is your creative space of birth, of birthing your life. And everyone in your temple is assisting you, cheering you on, holding the highest vibration of love, freedom, peace. And maybe you reach out beyond the individualized space of your own desires and you want world peace, world freedom, world health and abundance. Everyone can have the life they want. It starts with us acknowledging this space right here. It starts with us acknowledging and understanding and owning and living from our temple as sovereign beings.